I heard the voice of the Lord saying, "Whom shall I send? Who will go for us?" And I said, "Here am I, send me." Isaiah 6:8. From vocation to formation. Dear sisters and brothers, every vocation is a seed planted by God, but formation is the soil where it grows. For the Mermier's life shows us that holiness does not happen by accident. It must be formed, purified, and tested. Born during the chaos of post-revolutionary France, Mermier felt called to the priesthood in a world where faith was fragile. Yet his conviction was clear: I want to give myself entirely to God. The young Mermier entered a seminary not to escape the world but to heal it, starting with himself. For the Mermier expressed is the desire to become a priest at age 10. This did not surprise his mother, as she had already prayed many times for him to receive a priestly vocation. In 1800, religious peace was restored in Savoy, and the clergy resumed their activities, rebuilding what had been destroyed. Their first priorities were to start the liturgy again and recruit for the priesthood. Seminary life, the furnace of grace. The seminaries of his time were being rebuilt after the French Revolution. Resources were scarce, yet discipline, simplicity, and prayer marked daily life. It was there that Mermier learned to love the Word of God, especially through meditation and the divine office. He learned to seek holiness before ministry, not as an afterthought. He discovered how to live in fraternity, realizing that priesthood is not solitary but communal. For the Mermier was convinced that souls could only be won by being possessed by God. Let us seek the intercession of Father Peter Marie Mermier, the servant of God, for the gift of vocation for our congregations and the church, so that young girls and boys willingly respond to God's call to serve. Father Peter Marie Mermier, intercede for your daughters and sons. Live Jesus.